Hey everybody, it's Nicole. And so I apologize. I am going to have to push out my lives, including the claim live. I really wanted to have it over the next couple of days, and hopefully this will give you guys a little more time to save more money if you were ever interested in buying anything. I don't know if there actually is any interest. I'm hoping that there is, because it does help with giveaways like this. It also helps with prizes. It helps with prizes. It helps with postage and all of that stuff. But I am still really, really congested. I haven't had a good night's sleep in, I don't know, about a week or so, and I just like cough and cough and cough all the entire night through. So I don't know, my son said I look exhausted. I feel exhausted. So anyway, I know I owe you guys the prizes for the last giveaway, the Year's giveaway, and these are the prizes that I picked up from Japan. So these are all the way from Japan, just for you guys. And I have a couple more prizes that I'll be giving away in my lives. It's nothing huge or whatever. But if that motivates you guys to come to the live, that's great. But I do have a couple more small prizes that I'll be giving away in my claim live, along with my actual next resin pour live. And I'm thinking about doing a like kind of a lottery thing with the giveaway that I'm going to have. So if you purchase anything or anything like that, or you give super stickers or super thanks or whatever, I will write your name down in for the prize. I'm thinking about doing a little prize pack for that. So I hope to have my act together maybe tomorrow to be able to do that, because all of next week I'm going to have doctor's appointments. But in any case, here are the prizes that I am going to be giving away, in addition to everything else that I have put together for this New Year's giveaway. Make sure you watch to the end so you know what clues you need to find in all of my videos or shorts. And this is the video you will enter in on. And the giveaway will go until, let's see, we'll do, I think, March 8th. Sorry, I needed to check. So yes, we will go. I will have the giveaway start today, and today is Sunday, February 22nd, and run until March 8th. And so yeah, all right. So here is the first prize that I brought back from Japan. It is these, you can unfold it, and it's a reusable like bag for groceries. And it's got these cute little kitty cats on them. So yeah, I picked this up, and it actually says on the tag that it is, you can see that there. If I can get a hold of the tag. So it does say shopping bag on there, but I did get this from Japan. And yeah, so you can see the little kitties playing. They're sleeping, stuff like that. So you would undo the button and then unfold it, and it opens up into a shopping bag. And then The other prizes are I got these, and I have more yarn that I picked up from Daiso, which is great yarn. So that's going to be a part of the lottery giveaway that I'll probably have. So it is, oh, and it'll also, I have enough yarn to also give away as a part of my live giveaway as well. So these are the 2 skeins of yarn, and this is Japanese Daiso yarn. So you get 2 of them, and let me see if I can find anything. So all it says is that it's multicolored striped acrylic yarn, and it is 67 meters or 73.27 yards. So it's lavender, purple, and like a pinky color with white. So you'll get 2 of them. They're exactly the same. So now for the clues that you'll need to look for. So the first one is I'm giving away a pattern book. Where is the pattern book from? So what company did I get it from? Next, giving away a crochet hook from Furls. What kind of Furls hook is it, and what size is it? All of this stuff should be in all of my videos, the long form and or the short. You probably have better luck with rewatching the long form. And then next, the yarn that I got from Furls is called Wander. And I'm giving you, I think it's like a whole package of them. It's several skeins of yarn. What color is it? And then next, this one should be fairly easy. What animal is on the reusable bag that I brought back for you guys from Japan? And then next, there is a keychain that I'm including as a prize. What kind of animal is on the keychain? And then the last question, there is a prize that is a stone, and it's called something specific. What is it called? Okay, so again, the pattern book, where did I get it from? What company? The crochet hook that I got from Furls, what kind and what size? And I'll take 2 answers for that one. And then next, the yarn that I got from Furls is called Wander. What color is it? And then what kind of animal is on the reusable bag that I brought back from Japan that I just showed? And then what kind of animal is on the keychain that I've included in on the giveaway? And then lastly, what is the stone prize called? It's specifically called something. So that's that. Again, the giveaway will start today, the 22nd, and end on the 8th. And I apologize again for pushing back my lives. As you can see, with just a few minutes of just talking, my voice is just like dissipating to nothing. This is just ridiculous. I really need to get rid of this cold. It does not help that the whole immune system problem. Anyway, I am going to be posting probably later on today, probably a short of Yoda just as a thank you. And she says hello. And I'll take one of Ash and I'll put one of her up as well. And to hopefully that will keep you guys interested and all of that stuff. So I apologize. I'm so sorry. I feel really bad. I feel horrible about this. So anyway, Thank you guys for being patient with me and understanding. Thank you for the well wishes, and I hope to get well soon. Uh, and I will definitely try to rest my voice by not talking so much. So, um, and I may try to, as the time goes on, because so that's essentially 2 whole weeks you guys have to enter into the giveaway. Um, Share with everybody, or don't, because I mean, obviously, less entries we have, the more chance you have to win. But yeah, um, that's it for now. I will talk to you guys later. Bye.